Phew, my arms are hurting. But as I make my way around my head, I'm just making sure to make the parts a reasonable size so that the twist can be as flat as possible. It doesn't take that long, y'all. I know this is sped up, but this probably took me about 20 minutes, which is no time at all. The hard part, it really is the washing and conditioning and detangling. But once you do that, and as long as you keep your hair detangled, it's pretty easy to section off and rubber band and twist the hair. Just have patience with your hair, especially if you're new to doing your hair. It can be difficult and kind of overwhelming, but things like this can make it a lot easier to manage your hair and save a lot of time while, having luscious, healthy hair. I don't know if you guys you all would consider my hair healthy, but if you do, I don't do too much to my hair, and although I'm still on my natural hair journey, still so much to learn, I think I have a good handle on my hair. If you're interested